Welcome back to Cooking with Mike. All right, today we are going to be making some biscuits, sausage biscuits and gravy. So it's going to be fantastic, super yummy. Let's get started. All right, so let's get this pan going. So in case you guys haven't noticed by now, I like to cook in my cast iron skillet. It gives everything a better flavor, if you ask me. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a whole pound of Jimmy Dean regular sausage. Place that in there and let's get that cooking. While that's going, let's get these biscuits going because these are going to take a little bit longer to make than the gravy. So we need to set our oven to 350 degrees, 350, and then we're going to put these on a cookie sheet and wait for this to preheat and then get them cooking. While the sausage is cooking and the biscuits are cooking as well, let's get started on making the gravy. So, I'm just gonna use some all-purpose flour, and this is like a big spoon, kind of, I don't know. So I'm just gonna put like 3 heaping spoonfuls, actually about 2 heaping spoonfuls. So that's probably pretty close to a cup to a half a cup. Not even a half a cup. That's like a quarter cup of flour. And then this is a 4-cup measuring cup. So I'm gonna put 4 cups of milk in. And after we pour this in with the sausage, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more, just because there's more people in my family. So we're gonna take this, my little egg beater wire whisk, my small one, and we're gonna whisk this all up so it kind of makes a flour gravy. Alright, that's pretty well mixed up. And then we're going to put about, 2 teaspoons of salt in. Well, teaspoon and a half. And then we're going to put in, maybe just a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. So it might look like a lot, but it's not really. So now we're just gonna wire whisk all that in. And if you want it hotter, the taste, you can add more black pepper if you want. My family doesn't like it very spicy, so 1 teaspoon is about pretty good. All right, now that's done pretty much. We're just gonna let that sit until the sausage is all cooked up. All right, sausage is almost done. I'm gonna be real with y'all. This is not a healthy meal. I'm just saying, sausage, gravy, biscuits, that is so freaking tasty. Oh yeah, it's awesome. All right, that looks about ready right there. Let's add the milky gravy that we just made, basically. We're just gonna dump that in there. We're not even gonna drain off the grease because there's not a whole lot in this tube sausage, but also it's a lot of the good flavor. So we're actually gonna add just a little bit more milk to this. Because like I said, we have 4 kids, so we all love it. All right. You can see how it's like all bubbling up around the sides. So I'm gonna just stir it real slow. You want to get from the bottom because the bottom is gonna thicken up before anything else. So you just want to keep moving that. Keep stirring it so it all gets mixed in. So you're going to want to stir this consistently while it thickens up. You don't want to let it sit there, otherwise it's just going to burn and it's not going to taste very good. We want to bring it back to a boil. See how it's starting to boil right now? So now we can turn our heat down a little bit. Still continue to stir it. All right, that looks like it's about done. So we're gonna turn this off. That skillet, the cast iron skillets, I love them because they retain their heat. So this is going to continue to cook just a little bit longer. But doesn't that look all nice and good? Oh, the aromas coming off of this thing are unbelievable. That's a nice, perfect sausage gravy right there. Nice, good consistency. It's not too runny. It's not too thick. That's perfect right there. All right, Joe, let's check the biscuits. Oh man, I think those are done. Look at those. Nice, perfectly done biscuits. Okay, since I'm so fancy, let's grab a paper plate, knock these out. All right. I'm gonna start off with 2 biscuits. And what I like to do, the reason why I buy the flaky biscuits is because I like to break my biscuits in half. And these flaky biscuits, they not only taste great, but they're super easy to just pull apart. So I'm gonna grab these. Mind you, they just came out of the oven. They're pretty toasty. So see how they just pull apart like that? So I got the butter flavor ones because I love butter. Who doesn't love butter, right? And that one's just gonna sit right there. So let's take some gravy. Put a little scoop on each one. All right, doesn't that look good? Let's try it. Oh man, that is so good. Oh, full of sausage flavor. It's just so good. So good. Man. All right, this is a true Southern meal right here. Biscuits and gravy. It doesn't get more Southern than that. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Put a comment below. Let me know what you want to see me cook next. And until next time, we're gone.